Hi everybody, myself Ashi and this is my video statement of purpose for my application at California State University Long Beach for the Master's Program in Information Systems. With the help of this video, I would like to communicate my immediate and future goals after having completed my Master's Program successfully. I hold an undergraduate major in computer engineering from Mumbai University, India. Throughout my undergraduate period, I've been a part of multiple internships and have also participated in many extracurricular activities like organizing many onstage and offstage events. All of this experience combined has made me develop myself into an individual that I am today. I have not only explored different horizons and have gained in depth knowledge of the different domains in computer engineering, but have also been able to develop skills which are going to prepare me for my career ahead. I currently am working as an assistant manager at Reliance Jio Infocom Limited, and I was hired for the role in August of 2021 to be precise. Soon after I had finished my graduation, I took up the job to gain some new experience and to gain some corporate flavor. I started off as a graduate engineer trainee, and my task was to carry out user experience testing on the GeoMeet application. Soon, owing it to my managerial capabilities and also my analytical thinking capabilities, I was promoted to take up the lead position. I'm currently in the lead role at my workplace and I handle a team of 7 to 8 people. Not only that, I'm also a liaison between different teams to ensure that the process is running smoothly. The one thing that I love about this job so much is that it's a perfect combination of people and technology, both of which I enjoy a lot. This place and this position has given me the power to express my innate abilities to the fullest. I have further honed my managerial skills, my organizational skills, and have also been able to develop my analytical thinking capabilities to solve the issues at a managerial level and not a personal level. I believe that this place is going to give me an in depth knowledge and a lot of experience before I join the university. A few years down the line, I would like to see myself working in an analytics position or a managerial position which will let me express my innate abilities to the fullest. A position where I'll be surrounded by people and would be working for people would be the appropriate job and the dream job that I would want in near future. My immediate goal for now would be to complete this master's program with flying colors and also to be able to make the most out of it. I would like to see myself working as a data analyst or a business analyst or in some managerial position at an IT firm where I'll be managing and exploiting new technologies every single day. Associating organizational strategies with technological strategies and using quantitative methods in order to improve the overall organizational decision making process of a company. I strongly believe that this master's program is going to be a fruitful aid in my career ahead. Not only because it's one of the top rated programs from one of the reputed university like yours, but because it will provide me with in-depth knowledge and applied skills in the areas of information systems, decision sciences and business analytics. It will help me transform myself into an expert analytics professional who will be able to extract valuable insights and work with data very closely. I understand that every university looks for candidates who are going to be worthy of the degree that they give, who are going to be able to hold on to the position and the reputation of the university that they've built for themselves. And I believe that my current accomplishments in the educational, corporate, and co curricular spheres make me a proficient candidate to be a part of your challenging master's program. Studying at a reputed university like yours would be introduce me to the plethora of academic and industrial opportunities in the computing discipline. Not only that, I do seek privilege of studying at your democratically conceived program under the guidance of your expert faculty and desire to enhance my personal growth by interacting with like-minded knowledge seekers who would be attending the university. Lastly, it would be an honor for me to be a part of your reputed California State University as I believe that it will help me bring out the best in me. If given the opportunity, I would like to work as a teaching, research, or graduate assistant at your reputed university in a way to give something back to the university will give me the plethora of knowledge and academic advancements. Thank you and namaste.